community has been watching VIX for a while now, and when it starts moving like this, we pay attention. Right now, the VIX is sitting near 29. That's the highest we've seen since April 2025. And we all know what happened in April 2025. And when everything unfolding in the Middle East, the Iran conflict, the Strait of Hormuz, oil moving 15% in days, the market is pricing in the level of uncertainty that most people aren't accounting for in their trading. My name is Creole Trades, or some call me Coach Q. I teach structured confirmation based trading utilizing the Wolf Chart 2.1 confirmation system. No hype, no predictions, no signal chasing, just structure, discipline, and a framework that I call stack. Today I'm breaking down what the VIX is actually telling us right now, and I'm going to show you how the stack framework applies directly to a market environment like this one. Let's get into it. All right, here's a quick look at the VIX right here on the monthly time frame. You can see that we have a lock candle right now for the month. Now, this month does have to close for it to be an official lock candle, but we do have a fresh inverse arc last month with this doji arc candle, and then we have a lock candle right here that's floating above the WTMA and the 12, and also in this case the 200. But it is inside of a internal order block, so the move can be squashed fairly quick if we have good news or the FOMC is good. All right, so moving to the week. All right, we have swing order blocks now. These are why they're so bright now. All right, so swing order blocks are basically your structure makers, right? So these always make those huge, powerful moves. And when price doesn't, break below them and close under them, they stay here. So you can see price consolidating for a while. And then next thing you know, boom, a big, powerful move happens. And then it comes back to revisit it. So, yes, right now, the next liquidity level for VIX I'm seeing is 3283 on the weekly time frame. So go ahead and look at the 3-day in case we missed a level. 3573 is what I'm seeing. We did close over a historical resistance this past Friday. So it looks like, VIX can do the dang thing, right? Look at the day. All right, okay. We have some resistance here. All right, so on the daily time frame, what you want to look for the VIX for the downside continuation is VIX closing above 3275. I'll just say 75 there because it'll be over this order block. But we will look for a sweep, right? So a daily candle will literally go through this level, this 3275, and then crash back down. That's the greatest play for any bull. But if not, if this daily candle closes above 3275, we will continue down. Go ahead and look at the 4-hour. Let's see what we got over here. 4-hour looks pretty free right now. 4-hour looks free. So that 3275 level, that order block, will probably remain king unless it powers through it. So we just got a fresh break of structure, a break of the trend line as well on the 2-hour. So VIX can keep trucking. You can see there's no real resistance in its path except this order block. So look for a sweep right here, and then we'll go off of that. If it closes above 3275, we will continue down. So that is the VIX right now, near 29, elevated fear zone, Iran conflict still active, Strait of Hormuz traffic down roughly 90%, and we also have FOMC coming March 17th. The conditions are real. The uncertainty is real. But here what it doesn't change. the framework: structure, trigger, alignment, confirmation, and keeping discipline. Stack. Stack doesn't care what the VIX is at. It just requires more from you when the environment gets louder. Higher confirmation threshold, more patience before execution, tighter invalidation logic. That's not a weakness, that's the edge. If this is your first time here, this is what we do at Creole Trades and in the trading room. Every single week, Friday at 5 p.m. Central Time, I go live on YouTube for the Confirmation Live. We break down the top setups across the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. Free, public, no sales pitch. Everything lives at creoletrades.com. The tiers, the community, the free starter guide if you're just getting started. Link is in the description. And if you want free limited access to the trading room, our Discord community, head to my Instagram page right now and drop the word link in the comments. We'll get you sorted out from there. Stay stacked. I'll see you next Friday at 5.